Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fourth question in exercise 7.14. The supply function for a commodity is P is equal to x plus 20 the whole squared by 100. Find the producer's surplus when the market price is rupees 25. So what is given to us is P naught. P naught is given to be equal to 25. So let's try to find out what is x naught. So this is going to be 25 is equal to x naught plus 20 the whole squared, the whole thing divided by 100. So 2500 is equal to x naught plus 20 the whole squared. If you take root on both sides, 2500's root is 50. So 50 is equal to x naught plus 20. So that tells us x naught is equal to 30. Now that we got the value of x naught, let's compute or write out the p function. So p is going to be equal to make it easier, I'm going to do 1 by 100 into integral of, this is x squared plus 40x plus 400. So this is nothing but p is equal to x squared by 100 plus 4 by 10x plus 4. Now let's compute what is the supply. So this is going to be the supply function or the producer's surplus PS is going to be equal to TR minus TC. So which is nothing but P naught X naught, that is the total revenue, minus this one, so 0 to X naught P d of x. So let's substitute these values. So P naught X naught is nothing but P naught is 25, X naught is computed to be 30. So 30 into 25 is 750. So P of S is going to be equal to 750 minus integral 0 to 30 of your P function, which is nothing but x squared by 100 plus 4 by 10x plus 4 dx. So first let's finish the integration. So P of S is going to be equal to 750 minus x squared on integration is x cubed by 3. So I'm keeping this as x cubed by 300 plus this is going to be 4x squared by 20. Then this is going to be plus 4x between the limits 0 to 30. Now let's simplify. P of S is going to be equal to 750 minus this is going to be x cubed divided by 300 plus x squared divided by 5 plus 4x between the limits 0 to 30. See, remember when I substitute the lower limit 0, all this function is going to vanish. So only I'm going to substitute the upper limit. So P of S is going to be equal to 750 minus of 330 into 30 into 30. So let's see that 30 into 30 into 30, the whole thing divided by 300. So 130, this will go in 10 times. So this will go away. So this is going to be equal to 90 plus 30 squared. So this is going to be 30 into 30 divided by 5. This is 6 times. So this is plus 180 plus 4 into 30. So this is going to be equal to 120. So this is 750 minus 120 plus 180 is going to be 300 and plus a 90. So this is equal to 390. Final answer is P of S is going to be equal to rupees 750 minus 390, which is equal to 360. In the next video, we will find the solution for the fifth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.